Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of July 13th through 19th. Nothing's really happening this week. So I have this page from a grab bag from Avalon Ninth, and it has like pizza theme. So bottom washi, and then there's a bunch of washi strips of varying widths. And then there's a couple hidden here as well. So I thought I would pair that with this Agenda 52 book I have that has a ton of different food related stickers, including a lot that are related to pizza. So I thought it could be a fun kit to use, just like as an anytime kit. So my plan is to use this bottom washi, obviously. Then I pulled out a ton of other washi. I have some really skinny ones. I think these are all from Amazon. Got these ones. These super skinny ones are from Dollar Tree. These are from Amazon. And then I have a few from Michael's. These are the Wonton in a Million ones. So they have steamy and stewy, so perfect for food themed. So my plan is to use some of these really skinny washi. And then there's like 3, I think, that are header sized in each of these through the middle, and then these 4. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to use them to the best option. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scatter some of these along the top, and then I will incorporate these in as I go during the week. I might end up just whiting out some of these and kind of do like plan as you go style. So I'm going to put that stuff down, and then I will be right back to go through some of the next steps. All right, I like how that looks kind of scattered a little bit. I think it'll look cute once I fill in everything else as well. So on the side, I want to put this pizza over everything sticker because it's kind of the theme. There we go. Then I think I should put like a strip of washi. Maybe I'll use this one. I'm gonna leave just a little bit of white space this week. I don't know why, just because I can. Then I have this American Crafts book, and it has a bunch of these like checklists, and some of them they're actually all 7 boxes. I'm gonna use this pink one because I think it kind of goes with the colors, and I should find to go above it. Probably have in here somewhere I have headers. Here we go. Maybe I can find one that says meals that would kind of go. This purple one that would maybe work. It says to cook, which kind of works, but not perfectly. There's this one that says meals, that one that says meals. This green one. Sure, why not? Maybe I'll like pop the green color in. This leftover, I am not sure where this one comes from, to be honest. I've had it for quite some time. I'm just gonna stick that right there. I'm gonna stick that one down. Then I think I need another strip of washi. Maybe I'll use this one. Oh, that's like a lot of extra white space. There, that's not so bad. Stick that down, and then I have in my leftovers that I haven't filed yet from Planner One Love, I have this habit tracker. I'm gonna stick down, and then in my here. I'm gonna use it to track Instagram as I've been doing for the last few weeks again. I'll use this like orange color. I think that kind of fits in once everything is down at least. That's from Piper Paper Company. And then down here at the bottom I have a little bit of space, so I'm gonna stick in one of these. Do I want the one that says say cheese or don't worry, be happy? I don't know. The don't worry, be happy one sticks out to me for some reason, so I'm just gonna stick it in. There we go. I think that looks cute and fills out the sidebar pretty well. Alright, so the rest of the week I'm gonna kind of do like plan as you go, so I'm not gonna be able to fill in quite everything like I might typically do. I think gonna put down my work stuff, and I'm actually gonna use these little headers because I think that I can make it work. Yeah. So I'm gonna stick in this one. I'm using only like headers that I can write on. Try to make them not match the actual headers. They're like right above it. I guess this one again. Sure, that's probably good. All right. So not very exciting, but will definitely work. Then on Monday, right after that, I am going to, let me see if there's like something I want to use to kind of divide all this up. I don't think so. All right, so I'm going to pull into my leftovers and pick out maybe I can use this one. It has like fireworks on it. That is like not at all straight. Alright, that's good enough. And then pull out my YouTube stickers. Not these. Yeah, I'm gonna use these. These are from Cavern Studio. Her shop is closed. I know she was opening a printable shop, but I'm not sure the status on that because I've been trying to not look since I cannot spend money. Anyway, I need to film, edit, and upload my plan with me that will go up that day. Then I feel like I want one of these. I want to pick one of the ones that has like a little pointy end of some sort, I think. Okay, choose this one that says say cheese with nachos. Okay, I should probably mark that this is a recycling week actually, which really should have gone at the top, but it didn't, so we're just gonna deal with it. It's gonna be fun. I don't actually know if I have anything to mark recycling, so I might just not mark it in the oh, here we go. We're gonna use this little gray recycling guy. There we go. All right, Tuesday, nothing exciting is happening. Wednesday, I want to mark in, there's one that will work in here. I don't even know. I have a webcast to do for work. I feel like none of these really work. I could maybe use one of the coffee things. Who doesn't need more coffee before talking to a bunch of people, right? Sure, we'll put one of these in. I don't actually drink coffee, so this works out pretty well. Oh, that's the wrong day. Alright, I have a webcast. Do I want to stick in TV shows this week? No, we'll see how the week goes. Alright, that's all for that one. Thursday, nothing's happening. Friday, nothing's happening. And Saturday and Sunday, nothing is happening. So, I guess this is kind of where we are right now. I might try to stick in another full box or two. Maybe I'll do the other nachos pun over here at the end of Sunday. Why am I so bad at making these straight? There. That looks pretty good. Maybe stick this up here on Friday and just white out under this. There we go. All right. Maybe I want a bottom down here. I feel like I want the ones way at the bottom to be flat. There's a couple here. I also maybe just want to use like one of the small ones. What else is there? I'm going to use this as my like weekend banner. So I'm just going to hold on to that. How about this one? Alright, I feel like I've subjected you guys to enough. Just like looking at things in that book, so I will just add stuff as we go through the week. You can see stuff on my midweek and end of week spreads. Oh, it's a little bit short. Okay. Alright, so that's my pre-planning all done. I'm not going to write anything in because there's so little stuff to write in. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's the finished spread. I feel like it turned out really fun and colorful. I used up all of the washi page, so that was awesome. Obviously, I still have a ton of the sticker book left, and then I used this Happy Planner book and this American Crafts book. And that's almost it. I have a few leftovers in here. This is from Piper Paper Company. This is from Cavern Studio. But otherwise, it's pretty much, that's just what it is. Oh, and this is washi from One Ton in a Million at Michael's. As always, please like and subscribe below. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress spreads, finished spreads, tag all the shops, all of that kind of stuff. And until next time, bye.